Embrace failure, learn and grow. Take risks. Setbacks teach you valuable lessons. Learn, adapt and come back stronger. Customers drive your business. Understand their needs, deliver excellence, build relationships. Happy customers become loyal advocates in attracting new business. Success needs a skilled team. Hire those who align with your vision, promote collaboration, growth, and positivity. A strong team drives success. Adapt to evolving business landscape. Stay updated on trends, tech and customer demands. Innovate and improve to outpace competition. Craft a strategic plan with vision and goals. Break them into actionable steps, track progress. Clear roadmap ensures focus and success measurement.